Science and Encyclopedia College. Today we are going to be looking at factorizing trinomials in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, but before we go into that, let's have this knowledge. We have a question on the board that says write down the expansions of the following. So we look at how to expand numbers, this type of expressions before we go into the main topic. Now, what we have here is this simply means we have open bracket 10 raised to the open bracket rather 10m minus n close bracket squared. So what this means is 10m minus n. It means that this bracket is twice, so it's being repeated. So 10m minus n close the bracket. That's what this expression means. So the first thing you do, if you have two brackets like this, you pick the first term in the first bracket, 10m, then repeat the second bracket, 10m minus n, then close it. Then the next thing you do is to pick the next term, then repeat the second bracket, 10m minus n, then close the bracket. Now, what you do is you open the brackets. So, in opening the bracket, we use the term before the bracket to multiply each term inside the bracket. So, 10m times m, 10m times 10m is 10 times n is 100 m squared. Then 10m times minus n is minus 10 mn. We're done with this. So the next thing, minus n times 10m is minus 10 mn. Then the next one, minus n times plus minus n is plus n squared. Now the next thing is 100 m squared minus 10 mn minus 10 mn is minus 20 mn. Then plus n squared. So we arrange them based on their signs. So we have a plus sign here. So we have 100 n squared. And next we have a plus sign here to be plus n. We have plus n squared. Then minus 20 mn. Now this is the solution to this question. Now let's look at the next question. Now let's have the question. The question says open bracket y plus 8 close bracket squared. So this also means the same thing. This means this bracket is twice. So y plus 8 and y plus 8. So if you have this, what you do is you pick the first term in this first bracket, then repeat the second bracket, y plus 8, then pick the second term and the sign, then repeat the second bracket, y plus 8. So you can now open the brackets. So we use y times y is y squared. Y times plus 8 is plus 8y. The next one, plus 8 times y is plus 8y. The next one, plus 8 times plus 8 is plus 64. So we collect the like terms. We already have like terms, so we carry out the next operation. Y squared. So we have y squared plus 8 plus 8y plus 8y is plus 16y. Then plus 64. So this is the solution to this question. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel for more videos.